it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new Instant Look of Love from Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the palette that I got, that one right there. And I got a couple of her lip, that's supposed to be a cheek thing too. We'll talk about that. Lipstick, lip liner. We're going to create a look. I've already got my foundation on and my concealer and all of that. I'm just not liking my hair lately at all. When you live somewhere where it's humid, you get a lot of fuzzy hair. So I'm just dealing with that. I'm dealing with it and it is what it is. So, and it looks worse when you have blonde hair, so I'm trying not to do that. Anyway, so the one palette that I decided to get is this one. I know there was one that had more pinks in it. This is Pretty Blushed Beauty. I don't know what the other one's called. But I like this one instead of the pinky one because I'm more of a neutral kind of person. The other ones were a little too, I don't know, I feel like I have colors like that already and I just wasn't interested. The packaging on this is really pretty. This is like, I like this packaging. I don't like the packaging on her lipsticks that were, you know, the lipsticks that you could refill. I don't like the packaging on that because it got all like chippy and stuff. But this is really nice. The packaging on it is beautiful. And again, here's the colors. I want you to really see what they look like. So it looks like you get 3 shadows and then you get a highlight, a cheek, a face powder, which I already did my powder, but maybe I'll try that. I wonder if that's like my lovely powder that I like. I don't know. And then you get a bronzer. I love this. I used to have one several years ago. I had the original one. I had that for a while and I finally tossed it out because it was just getting kind of icky. But I use that one a lot. I really, really like that one. So I was excited when I saw this come up. And then, ooh, this is nicer than I thought it would be. This has some weight to it. So this is the lipstick and it's in Wedding Bells, but look at the packaging on this. Wowee. This is nicer than I thought it would be. It's got a nice weight. I don't know why when online it looked kind of cheapy looking. I don't know if any of these little things are going to fall out, but it's really pretty. And oh, look at it, stamped with little hearts. How cute is that? So you're going to see me wear this, but I'll swatch it on the back of my, oh, that's pretty. Hopefully it's not too dark. It's pretty. I'm into more lighter colors lately. And when I looked at it online, I didn't think it was going to be that dark. So hopefully I'm going to like it. And then I got the Pillow Talk medium color, which I don't have. I have Pillow Talk original, but I don't have the Pillow Talk medium liner. I shouldn't have wiped off the other, but there you go. It looks like it's pretty similar to the lipstick. And then I got this, which I thought was a gloss, but it says it's a tinted, this is the Tinted Love Lip and Cheek Tint. I don't know why I thought I was getting a gloss. So I guess I should have read the thing. It says enriched with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, apply to lips and cheeks for a pretty fresh veil. So I thought that it was a set, so why would they give me this and not a gloss? So that's kind of disappointing. Did I order the wrong thing? I don't know. So this is what it looks like. This is the packaging on it. And this is the applicator on it. And this is what it looks like. So it's like, you know what it reminds me of? You don't really get much color with that, do you? So I'm not going to use it on my cheeks today. Maybe I'll put a little bit on top of that. I don't know, but there you go. You know what it reminds me of? Years ago, I don't know if they still have it, but years ago when Bobbi Brown actually owned Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, I remember she had a lip stain. And I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't like it. I didn't like it because I'm like, what's the point? You know what I mean? I want to wear lipstick. I don't need to have like I want to see a lipstick on me. Do you know what I mean? So it's kind of disappointing. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the face powder on my eye first. I'm just going to put that. I've already put my primer on, but I'm just going to put that on as like a little base shadow. And I'm using my Refer number 15. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this shadow right here, the number 2 shadow there. And I'm going to use the same brush and just going to go right there on my crease. I like these because they're nice to travel with. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this shadow right here. And something I want to tell you too, because I did this with the other palette, I would use these colors as well on my eyes because I did that with the other palette. So you can use those as well. So just remember that, even though it says it's for your face and all that, you can use it on your eyes. I did that. Wait, this is a nicely weighted palette too. I'm just going to go in. Well, that's got a nice color. The color I just did, the other one doesn't have too much of a color, but for a transition color, that's okay. That's really pretty. I like the color payoff in it. But I usually do with her shadows. I'm trying to think if I've ever had shadows I've been disappointed in. I don't think I have thus far. So I'm just going on the outer corner. I don't know if I told you this, but I'm using number 12. And if I did, then I'm just having menopausal moment. Yeah. So I'm just bringing it on the outer corner. And then just working it up on I can feel my crease bone right there. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to blend it out. You know what I really like of hers? I love her cream eyeshadows. Oh my God, I love those. Those are so nice for a really quick, easy look. You can use one shadow, you can use two shadows. I really love those. This is really nice. What do you think so far? Like it? I know it's nothing like amazing. I'm going to go in with that same color that I used, that like transition color. I just want to put that a little bit more up there, my little hooded area. I'm going to wipe my brush and blend. I'm going and I'm going to use this one, and I wonder if I should use my fingers. It's like a very soft. Oh, that's pretty. Very soft color. Like it feels like a creamy color is what I mean to say. I just got to get my little magnified here. Oh gosh, that's really pretty. This is an easy look, you guys. I like these neutral looks. I mean, this is pretty much what I wear. Once in a while, I show you guys some different eye looks, but honestly, for every day, I just don't do that. I mean, when I go out places, I just don't. I'm very neutral on my looks. But so far, look how pretty that is. I want to blend this out a little bit more. Don't get on me about my hair. Seriously, don't. Just don't. Don't. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to go right on my little, oh God, I got to fix that. It looks like I've been drinking or something. I'll fix that. That's because this isn't a magnified mirror and I'm putting it on and not like, yeah. Let's go in with this bronzer right here. Let's go in that bronzer. Now I like this, and I liked the bronzer in her other kit. So is this different than the one that I tried? Because I tried her new bronzer and I didn't like it. I thought it was okay. I don't know if I got the wrong color. Let's do some blush. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my rougher brush number 4. That was my La Mer powder brush, by the way. Where is this at? This is a La Mer bronzer brush that I have. I just like to use a really fluffy brush like that when I use my bronzers. I like to use my rougher brush this is really good for cream bronzers for me. I just like to use something like that. It's just personal preference. That's all it is. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the blush color. And, ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Pretty. I feel like I have to blend it though. It's very, I'm going to take care of that. Before I put my highlighter on, I'm just going with my Tatcha Silk Powder. I guess, you know what? Let me use her powder. That's what I'll do. I was going to use this because this is a setting powder, but I like it as a finishing powder. So I'll wait to use that because you know what? Let me use the powder that's in here. I just want to soften this up a little bit. I just feel like it looks intense. And I just want to soften it up a little bit. So I'm using the face powder that's in here. That's what I'm using. Just to kind of soften it up. So if you ever you're doing your makeup and you're like, oh gosh, I overdid it, just take a little bit of powder, your setting powder, or you can use a finishing powder. Finishing powder is really good because it'll just soften that look and it won't look like you just want like with it, you know what I mean? This highlighter, see, that would be really pretty on the eyes too. Can I see it? Well, I see it. Yes, I do see it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. You see? Oh. Oh, that's pretty. Do you see it? Look at the glow I have. That's pretty. Let's get to the lips. And then I'll give you my final thoughts on everything. Let's do the lips. This, I guess I can't do because I thought I was getting a gloss. So you have to stay tuned for that because I really would rather put the lipstick on today with this. I hope that's okay. So I feel like I'm not going to like this. I just thought this was going to be a gloss. I don't remember ordering this. I'll have to look. I feel like I got the wrong thing. I could have swore it was a freaking gloss. Like, why would you have a set and then have this in there? If it has the cheek color and everything, why would you not have a gloss for... Yeah, okay. Is that too dark? I don't know. Pretty. But it's gonna need some gloss. Oh yeah. Oh Lord have mercy. Oh Lord, this is darker than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know online. I feel like I'm wrong. This is not a good look. I don't like this. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take some of this and pop it on my lips just to brighten it up a little bit. And I'm gonna have to put a gloss on. I will put a gloss on. So let me do my mascara, my brows, and fix my hair, and I'll be right back. Love the packaging. I think the packaging is gorgeous. I think the colors are really, really pretty. I like the colors. This is what they look like on me. Really pretty, soft, subtle colors. But you could go in and go, I could have went in there and really, really darkened it up if I wanted to do an evening look. So I think this is really, really nice if you are somebody that maybe you travel a lot and you just want to bring, like, that's why I like it, because when I travel, we just travel locally here in Florida. I'm not getting on any airplane, but anyways. So if I travel, this is just really nice. I don't have to bring everything with me. I can get a whole face look with this, and I don't have to pack as much stuff. But even if you're flying or whatever, like, this is such a nice thing to have. Like I said, I really, really enjoyed my other one. I had it for a long time. I used it. I really, really used that thing. Really enjoyed using it. You don't have to save it for a trip either, but I'm just saying that's one of the things that I like about it. I just love that you have a whole face look. You can bring it wherever with you if you want to bring it for touch-ups. I just really love this. I wish that they had more colors in it. I wish you would add to this line instead of just having two choices. That's what I would like to see more sets of them, that would be really, really nice. I think the blush color and the highlighter is really pretty. It's not my favorite highlighter, I'm just gonna be honest. I love the Laura Mercier one that I have, and I love the Charlotte Tilbury. I thought I brought that one in here. Maybe I didn't. I didn't bring all my makeup in here because I knew I was only going to do this today. But I like her spotlights, and I don't know if that's going away because I was going to add it to one of my things, and I noticed it was out of stock at her site. It was out of stock on Nordstrom's. I don't know if they're getting rid of it. I don't know if they're repackaging it. I hope they don't get rid of it because it is a really, really good one. But don't worry, because Laura Mercier, that powder that I shared with you, the highlighter is freaking gorgeous. It does more than this. This is very subtle, but it's pretty. So if you're someone that likes subtle, then I think you're going to like it. So that's what I'm going to say. I think it's beautiful. I'd recommend it if you're into that. You know, if that's something that you want to add to your makeup, whatever. And then the lipstick is really, I love the packaging on it. I just don't know if it's going to go all messed up. The color on me, I just feel like it's dark. Doesn't it seem dark for me? Maybe I'm into more bright colors. You guys know that. I feel like maybe this would be okay for the fall or an evening look. I feel like it's too intense for me. For me, I don't know. I think it looks different on everybody. When I ordered this, I thought it wasn't going to be as dark as this, and I just feel like it's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. I just thought it was going to be, I don't know, I just didn't think it was going to be as dark. I feel like it's too much for me. So, nice, but a little too much for me. And the lip liner, I can make this work with other stuff. So, and I'll have to do that with this. I'll probably have to mix this with a lighter color or something to make it work for me. And then this I don't get. I don't get this. I don't get the lip stains. I really don't, because it's like by the time I put on my lips, it's not really going to look like anything. I could just put a lip gloss on. So I don't get this. When Bobbi Brown did this, I didn't like it either. I just was always like, I don't get the lip tint. I don't get it. Like, you're not really going to see anything. You know what I mean? But I will have to try it on my cheeks, and I will let you guys know. So I will update you. So that's something I probably would rather do with it, is maybe put on my cheeks. But even then, like, am I going to see anything? I mean, look at, I'm pretty fair. I don't know. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't like it. I really don't like this. I think it's really dumb. Because look at, I'm putting it in my hand. Okay, so I blend it in. Where'd you go? Can't really see it much, and I'm pretty fair. So, I don't know. That, I would say, don't waste your money on it. I think that's kind of a waste of money. But you know how I feel. I love her lipstick. I just feel like it's too dark for me, and I like the palette, so that's where I'm going to leave. Really am so glad that you joined me today. If you enjoyed this video, and I certainly hope that you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can follow me on all the socials, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. Okay, I don't know why my camera got out of focus. Okay, hold on a second. Someone needs to be bitch slapped. Okay, well, we're going to try this again. Let me do this again, because we're going to try this again. Okay. So I should hold this better, shouldn't I? And this is the, which one is this one? Which one was this one? I was watching somebody, I don't know if I'm repeating this in another video or not, and if I am, oh well. You're going to hear it again. I was watching somebody's video and they said they took 3 hours to do an eye look. I'm like, holy shit. I don't have 3 hours to do my eyes, so. I know she does fancier eye looks and everything, but Jesus. I need to fix, I have a little friend down here and it's really pissing me off. Fred right there. We need to cover you up, Fred, because you're really irritating me. Bibbidi bobbidi gone. This is my Color Science color corrector. It's a mineral powder color corrector. I love this. How many times do I have to go?